Welcome students, this is Varsha ICC Maths 10th. So this is your 4th lesson linear inequations exercise 4a. This is question number 2. So this is state true or false statement sum. So you have 6 subdivisions. So first subdivision, a is less than b, then a minus c less than b minus c. So is it true or false? This is your statement. So before that you have to recall the rules. So what are the rules? For addition and subtraction, the sign in equation will no change. Okay, there is no change for addition and subtraction. For multiplication and division, when it is positive number, no change. And for addition and multiplication and division, if it is negative, will change. Okay, see, and for the reciprocal, the inequality sign will change. Okay, these are the first rules. Okay, let me go to the sum. So this is a is less than b and it is subtracted by a number. So this is a minus c is less than b minus c. Is it a false statement? No, this is correct statement because it is subtracted by a number. So for subtraction there is no change. So the sign is not changed. So this statement is true statement. This is your answer. Okay. So now go to the second question. So a is greater than b. Then it is added by a number c. This is also added by a number c. Same number. So this will not change because for addition there is no change. So this statement is true statement. For addition and for subtraction, this is true. Means the inequality should not change. So this is not changed. Therefore this statement is true statement. Okay, so now go to the third question. A is less than b and it is multiplied by a number c. So for multiplication, and this is positive number, c is a positive number, so this no change. But here the inequality is changed. See, this inequality is changed, but this is a wrong statement because c is a positive number. Here this is multiplication. So for multiplication and a positive number, this no change, but it is changed. So the answer, the statement is wrong one. So this is false answer. Okay. Okay. Now go to the fourth question. A is greater than b. Then a by c is less than b by c. So this is division, but this is positive number. C is a positive number and division. It comes under division. So for division, positive number no change. So but it is changed. See, this is greater than sign, this is less than sign. So the sign is changed. Okay. Therefore this is false one. The answer is false. Okay. Okay, now go to the fifth question. So what is our fifth question? In your fifth question, a minus c is greater than b minus d. Okay, then a plus d is greater than b plus c. So the inequality is not changed. Listen. So this is a minus c is greater than b minus d. Okay, so now this negative number can replace. Okay, so places. So it will be plus. So this is a plus d is greater than b plus c. So the inequality is not changed. Okay, so this statement is a right statement. So the answer is true. Okay, now go to the sixth question. So what is the sixth question? The sixth question, a is less than b and c is greater than 0. It means positive number. So this is subtracted from both the sides. A minus c is greater than b minus c. The inequality is changed. See, So when you subtract, the inequality should not be changed. But here A is less than B. If it is subtracted by minus C, it should be less than B minus C. It is just subtraction. For subtraction and addition, the inequality should not be changed. But the inequality here, this is changed. So this statement is false. Okay, see, this is a false statement. That's all, we have done the 6 sums. Okay, so do you understand, students? Yes, I hope you all understand. So you have to say, remember the rules first. For addition and subtraction, the inequality will not change. For multiplication and division, if it is a positive number, it will not change. For multiplication and division, if it is a negative number, this will change. Okay, and reciprocal will change. So these are the main rules. If you know the rules well, you can do the sum very easily. Okay, I hope you all understand. Okay, thank you, students.